My name's Darren, and I've got 4 dogs, and this is my family. This is my only boy. His name's Cum. I love him so much. He's cute, and he's got black in him. He licks everywhere. You know what I mean? Everywhere. This one, don't like her much. Her name's Babies. She looks like a rat. She's got an overbite. Okay. See? Right there. An overbite. Yes. And yeah. She's very little. And she's got a nice abs. This one, oh fuck. This one's called Fat Bitch. She is the size of a fucking dinosaur. Fuck, look at her fat gosh. She rolls over to scratch her back and she can't get back up again. Yeah, so fat bitch. She's got fucking hair around her face like crusty undies. Fucking, look, she can't even fucking move just like that. Look, it takes about an hour to flip over. Next one is my favourite, the oldest one. Her name is Fanny Pack. And it's because we call her Granny Fanny, because she's so old and she's got a fanny pack right here. And she can dance, see? And fits all of her. And she loves me and she's going to die soon, so I get to have another dog. So, this is my family. Come on, let's have. Come on, don't. Come on. See? Come on, you got it all together. Oh, fuck. Woo, here we go. Woo. 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 Here comes Lumpa Lumpa. Here comes the Fat Bitch. Oh, sorry. Hey, see how, homies?